Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm making coleslaw with apples. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, here are the ingredients that you would need for this very quick and easy, simple dish. That's the ingredients. It's one apple. I'm just taking off the skin. One red apple. It's a rather small one, so not enough. It's just a quarter of a head of cabbage. And I have one carrot, a half of a lime, salt, red pepper flakes, and the mayo. Of course, a little pinch of sugar and salt. Yes. So just those. Just getting the skin off because it's going to be rather hard to chew with the skin on, so just take them off. Hubby doesn't like the skin on it, my daughter doesn't like the skin on it, and I don't like the skin on it in a salad, so I just peel them quickly. Almost there. The apple was cut into quarters, so alright, all done. Now I'm just going to cut these up into bite sizes. There would be apple all through the salad. Every time I make coleslaw, I just try to put a little twist on it. Add something different. Apples, grapes, raisins, cranberries, whatever I have, I just, tomatoes, whatever. Bell peppers. Make it your own. And trust me, you will enjoy it. It is delicious. Once I'm adding this apple, I just add a little pinch of sugar. You don't need that much, just a little bit. Now I'm just transferring them into this mixing bowl, just to get everything mixed together. Time for the goodness to begin. Okay, everything is in. Excellent. Now I'm just gonna squeeze this lime juice all over it. We cut this size because we're having this with the fish, and I cut it up small like that so everyone can have a piece of the lime. I just normally cut them in half, but we're having fish today with this, and I decided to just cut them small. I'm just adding a little bit of salt, a pinch, just a little bit. You could barely see that because salt is already in the Hellmann's mayo. It has the flavor. The same for the sugar. Not much of this. The apple is already sweet. Red pepper flakes. You can always substitute this with whatever type of pepper you would like. Work it. But this is what I want, and this is what I use. Now some of the master Hellmann's. It has the flavor and it makes everything taste just right. Okay, that's it. 2 heaping spoonfuls of Hellmann's. Get everything mixed up together. Combine. Okay. Everybody loves my coleslaw. I do too. So we're having this with our meal today. All right. Just like that. I want to thank everyone here for just watching and supporting me. All of my Bahamian people, thank you very much. Even those who haven't subscribed us yet, I still appreciate you for just watching. One day you will decide to subscribe and join the family. I just share a lot of goodness here. God bless each and every one of you, far and near. Don't take it for granted. Now it's time to transfer it into a serving dish. That's it. This is coleslaw with apples. This is Bahamian cooking. You know, we like to try different things and they work. All right, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share it out. Don't forget to check the description box out now. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.